Hi, I'm Alex Pritchard from Iceberg's Dining Room and Bar in Bondi. So today I've created a Westholme Wagyu Bavette with some Tardivo, Castelfranco and a sauce of marsala. I think the Induction cooktop is perfect for cooking this dish because the precision you get on it, the really intense heat you're getting for searing the steak, the low heat for keeping a sauce nice and warm, the really intense heat for sauteing the greens on the bottom. Some of my tips for home cooks switching from gas to induction are to play around with it a little bit and get used to it at first. Some home cooks can struggle with getting used to not seeing a gas burner to understand the heat and the temperature on the pans. I think the best way to do it is to buy some pans, get your induction top in, get some food and just cook it at home. You know, put a pot of water on the boil, see how long it takes to heat up, you know, get a pan really hot, cook a steak in it, you know, burn some stuff, make a few mistakes and really get to understand your induction cooktop before you start using it.